Google is really good at just quietly adding things, and I think a lot of people are going to care about this one a lot. So if you go to gemini.google.com, you get to this screen. This is just the Gemini app. And what this is what I'm going to talk about here is you can now use your NotebookLM notebooks and attach them to your prompts in Gemini. So if you click on the plus here, you now have an option that is NotebookLM. I will make a note that not everybody will see this. I don't really know their rollout plans. I know that this is one of my free accounts. We also have a pro, paid account. I don't have it on my pro account, which seems a little backwards, but Google is known for kind of rolling things out in weird ways. So you might not see this, but if you do, and you use NotebookLM, this is huge. So again, Gemini.google.com, click on the plus, and then when you go to NotebookLM, it'll pop up another window, and then if you use NotebookLM, it will pull all of the notebooks that you have. Again, I don't really use this account that much, so there aren't that many notebooks, but I can select one notebook, or I can select multiple notebooks and then add them as context. This is actually just the starter notebook that they have in there, but just to show you, you can add more than one. And click add, and now they're attached just like a regular file would be or an image. And then you can do whatever prompt you're going to do against your NotebookLM notebooks. That would be all your sources and whatever else you have in your notebooks. You can change models and just anything that you would normally do in here. I know people have been asking for this for a long time, and again, they silently just kind of put this in here. So if that's something you've been looking for, it is here. It works really well. The details of exactly what it pulls from your notebook are kind of fuzzy. From what I've seen, it seems to pull everything that I've asked it. Like, again, sources, like artifacts that I've created, it seems to be able to reference all of them. But if you don't know what NotebookLM is, I mean, we have a video that'll get you started in 5 minutes, and 4.5 actually, so go check out that video. But try it out, see what you think, and I'll see you next time.